another preaching workshop from the 12th of June for 3 Thursday evenings. So if you want to hone in on your skill, or you want to grow in this and you want to preach more, then come along to get equipped and encouraged in your gifting. Come along from the 12th of June. You can book on, sign online, and come along to the preaching workshop.
One day, one church, all together in Together Festival 2025's 10 zones.
Where all generations can gather together to celebrate, imagine and discover what God can do when we work together.
Bring your friends, bring your family and even your neighbours to hang out all day long in our 10 incredible zones.
Introducing the Celebration Zone, with performances from local and international artists.
Join the Family Zone and learn more about God through all age performances, face paints, games and so much more.
Explore the Maker's Market, watch live performances and be inspired by installations all in the Creative Zone.
And exclusively for over 12s, the Youth Zone. Have fun and win prizes in competitions and activities.
Take on a challenge in the Activity Zone with amazing free instructor-led activities for children and adults.
Invest in yourself in the Mission Zone with free resources and engaging workshops to help anyone build their confidence in sharing faith.
Invest in our region with a brand new prayer zone filled with interactive prayer stations. Or if you or someone you care for needs a restful place, check out the Wellbeing Zone.
Find out more about the organisations in our area and grab some delicious food, whichever zone is your favourite. Remember, we're all together at Himley Park on the 14th of June 2025.
So don't forget that it is Connect Groups this week, so make sure you connect with yours. And on Saturday it is Next Level, so make sure you come along for that. Have a great rest of the week, guys.